Have you ever wondered how to create a virtual signature on your computer? So you landed in the right video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a virtual signature on your computer, especially Mac. Let's get started. First thing what you need to do is open the PDF file on your computer or on your Mac, and then in here you need to click this, the so markup toolbar, and then in here you can see the signature sign, and then you want to click it, and then you don't have any signature in here, then you need to create a new one. There is two methods with this. First is you can create with the trackpad, and the other one is you can create with the camera. That means you need to scan it with your signature on your paper, then you will scan it with the cam. Okay, first we create the signature with the trackpad. Okay, let's begin. Click here to begin. Now you need your finger or maybe the Apple Pencil or something, and then you can draw the signature on the track on your Mac or your trackpad on your, and then draw your signature on your trackpad in your Mac. I show you like this. Let's say this is my signature. Okay, then if you think that okay, this looks good, and then okay, you can press any button, press any key to finish it, and then you can create a done, or if you are not satisfied, and then you can create do clear in here. Okay, let's try again. Okay, let's say this is my signature, and then I am satisfied with this, and then I click any button on my keyboard, and then here there is another option that you can bring your full name, given name, family name, and so on and so on. I think in this case I will not add them. Okay, and then we click done, and then now your signature is already saved on your computer. How to use this? You have to bring it and then click it, and then you can place in your document whenever you want, then you can adjust it, and then you can make it bigger, smaller, or whatever you want, and then make it more nice to make more adjustment, and then done. Your signature is in there, and then also it's saved there in case that you want to use in other documents. Okay, now the first method is done. Now we come to the second method. The second method, we create a signature with the cam. Like I mentioned before you started this one, you need to have the signature on your paper. I mean in real paper. You need to create a signature on your paper, and then you can use it to scan it from the cam. Okay, let's begin. Here we click the cam. You need to bring the signature on your cam until the computer detected your signature. Make sure that you use the white paper to make it more easy, because sometimes it's really difficult because the computer did not detect it. And then click done. So your signature is already there. You will see here. See, you can use it, and then you can bring it here, make it the same way like the other one, make it bigger, make it small, something like that, and it's done. Then you need to click the command S to save your PDF, and then you can go out, and then we check it again by press the space button, and then you will see the signature is already there. But unfortunately you cannot use the signature on your document or the Microsoft Word document file. But there's another way that you can create a virtual signature on your Mac with the picture. First thing you need to do is take a picture of your signature on your paper and then send it to your Mac, like what I have now. And then you can see the signature file from my iPhone, the signature file. And then this is really not nice because you can see still the background, and I think it's also too big. Let's say I can demonstrate to bring it to the Microsoft Word file. You see it's not nice. And what you need to do is just bring back to this file, and then you need to delete the background. You don't need a Photoshop for that because you can do it with Apple too. What you need is just click with 2 fingers, and then here you can see the quick actions, and then remove background, and then it will remove the background with the new file. In here you can see here this is the original one, and then here's the picture that already removed the background. See, there is no white anymore in the background, but it seems a little bit big. Let's see, we put it on the Word file here, and as you can see here is a little bit bigger, so maybe it's also not nice. And then how to make it that file a little bit smaller? Then okay, we try to open it. Here you have the file in here. Then what you need to do is just edit it, just mark like this, and then you can cut it with the Command and X. Then you go to the Microsoft file, and then paste it with the Command V, and then you have already the signature in here. And then you can make it smaller as you wish. For example, maybe it's too big, kind of like this, and there you go. And then probably you are a little bit confused, then where is the signature file saved, because in here is completely empty. So don't worry about that, you can still download it from here. Click with your finger and then save as picture, and then you can save it as signature.png, and then you can save it on your desktop and then save it. And then there you go, you got already the signature with a smaller size, then it's nicer. Okay, so yeah, and then I think you don't need this file anymore. You can bring it to the trash. You don't need this file anymore, you can bring it to the trash. But maybe you need this one in case you need to just bring the signature on your file in Word extension. So yeah guys, I think that's all my videos for today. I hope this video helps you guys who are looking for the information about how to create a signature or a virtual signature on your Mac. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.